Itudo na natin yung pagsasayaw. Kasi ano na. Nawawala yung ating kuryente dahil siguro sa enet ba?
Enit ng panahon.
Enet ng panahon.
Oo.
Nakaka-enet.
Ayan, pumalakpak naman po tayo dyan. Ayan, thank you so much.
Gising pa ba tayo dyan? Parang inaantok na.
Inaantok na ba kayo?
Ay, hindi daw. Kasi 2 beses na nawala ng kuryente. Init naman. Init.
Okay lang pa po yan. Walang klase bukas.
Sana huwag na tayong mawala ng kuryente.
Alright, that's from Mike Lion. I know that she's waiting for me to say
Ayan, pwede na po yung sumayaw. Come on.
I know that sometimes just don't know how to tell her. I want to hold and kiss her, give her my love, make her believe she doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all that I need. Yeah. I know that she's always there when I need her loving. I know that I never told her how much I love her. I see her face before me. I look in her eyes, wondering why. Oh, she doesn't know. She doesn't know. She doesn't know. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. Say that you'll be there. Whenever I reach out, you feel your hand in mine. Stay within my heart. Whenever I'm alone, I know that you are there. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. You're all I need beside me, girl. You're all I need to turn my world. You're all I want inside my heart. You're all I need when we're apart. All that I need is for you to believe. All that I need is you.
Alright, ayan. Maraming salamat.
Yes.
Ay, wait. Tignan natin yung mga tickets
Ticket
natin.
number.
Itaas ang kamay yung may tickets.
Itaas ang paa.
ticket.
Hula ko yung mga bata. Taas ang paa!
One-way ticket.
One
Yes.
ticket.
Ano kaya yung mapapanalunan yung first winner natin?
Cash
Kwartang,
prize.
ano?
500 pesos!
Kwarta.
Dalawang 500 pesos.
Wow!
Nako.
Congrats. Ay, wala pa pala.
Yes.
Ayan.
Ito yung unang winner natin. Diyos ko, ang swerte. 500. Numero!
Numero.
Number.
860139. Last 3 digits. 139.
Ay, swerte ni ate.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wow!
Congratulations.
Dito po.
Saan ka pa? 500. May pangalod na tayo kaya pambili ng kung ano-ano dyan.
Ulam.
Ulam.
Congratulations!
Congratulations. And here's another
Ticket number.
Rick Charis.
Anong request?
183. Last 3 digits. Ay, picture muna.
Picture muna.
Alright, ayan. 183.
Yung last
Last 3 digits.
Digits ba?
183!
Ikaw?
500 pesos.
Charot lang, ito naman, di ka mabiro.
Gusto mong ano, sabunutan kita?
Oo.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Wow!
Ano?
Ay, grabe naman yun.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Ay, check ano
Background
na eh.
music po dito.
Background music? Ayan, kasi magandang
Backdrop.
oo,
Ang ating
yung
backdrop.
bulaklaking stage na.
Kaya pala nag-request
Ay,
kanina si Sir ng bulaklak.
patay muna natin itong electric fans.
Pakisali po yung electric pan.
Wag!
Yan.
Yes.
Baka may ticket pa dyan, baka ako yung mabu...
Oh, the single ladies.
Alright, ayan.
After 2 music, another raffle daw po.
Draw.
Pagkatapos ng dalawang kanta, raffle ulit.
At syempre, meron tayong...
Dapat sumayaw tayo.
Oo. Parang kailangan
Asan
nila
na
ng ano, yung
asan na
ano,
yung
Yung
request
mga
natin?
dito
Bagzi.
sa bandang kaliwa. Kaliwak ka ng... Magsipalakpakan naman! Parang ang mahina. Gusto ko yung may energy! Woohoo! Dito naman, tignan ko nga kung sino yung pinakamalakas nung palakpak. 1, 2, 3, 4! Ay,
Ayan, dito sa gitna!
may pumalakpak na 15.
15. Oo, bilang.
Habang
Dito
dito sa
naman.
gitna.
Sandali, dito sa gitna, tingnan ko nga kung kaano sila ka-energy.
Oo.
Oh,
Go!
Oy, mga 16.
16. Lamang lang ng isa.
Lamang ng isa. Oo.
Ayan, at syempre, meron tayong request dito. Unahin na natin. Ayan,
Yeah.
sino po nag-request na itong papel dito?
Ano ba yung mga request?
Ayan, Biakti Hawaiano.
Si Mami, yung
Obyekti
nagbigay kanina
Hawaiano.
dito.
Yeah.
Obyekti Hawaiano, kasta talaga.
Sitsiwait.
Si Sibit, standby. Ay, ay, ay!
Ay kasto di panakian ni ako Hawaiano. Di ang muda na naman tibiyang mo. Di dala mo Isip lang na magiging trabaho ay biyak ni Hawaiano. Isip lang na magiging trabaho ay biyak ni Hawaiano. At trabaho, di kata trabaho.
Ano? Ano yun?
Three times.